Hi, once again welcome to Mehboobabaad Education YouTube channel. This is Somalingam Uppula from ZPHS Penugonda. Today we are going to discuss one more important chapter from the biological science, which is excretia. So excretia, one more important chapter from our textbook. So today we are going to discuss only the introduction of excretia. Well, due to various metabolisms in all the organisms, different type of useful substances, energy and as well as some wastes are also formed. Listen to me. Every organism has to perform different type of activities and metabolisms. So due to various metabolisms in every organism, the useful substances, energy as well as some wastages are also formed in the body. And of course we know, even an industry, without producing a waste material, no new object can be produced. In the same way, every organism, it has to perform different type of activities and metabolities for the growth and development of an organism. In those metabolisms, some wastages are formed. For example, the toxic substances may be formed due to various metabolisms. There may be imbalance in the water quantity in organisms. Ionic balance may be imbalanced. Ionic balance may be disturbed. I repeat, some toxic materials may be produced in the organisms due to various metabolisms. The water quantity may be imbalanced. The ionic balance may be disturbed. So whatever the wastages are formed in the body, mostly they are poisonous, they are wasteless. That is why a process is very important to separate, collect and elimination of wastages. A process of separation, collection and elimination of wastages is known as excretia. The process which removes the wastages from an organism is known as excretia. In the excretia, we have mostly three important tasks: separation of wastages, collection of wastages, as well as elimination of wastages. So, separation, collection, elimination of the wastages from an organism is known as excretia. The system which is involved in the excretia is known as excretory system. The word excretia derived from excretare, a Latin word. The word excretia derived from excretare, which is a Latin word. Ex means out, crenere means to shift, to send. Means to send the wastages from the body is known as excretia. The word derived from excretare, a Latin word. And again, the process of removal of wastages from an organism is known as excretia. The system which is involved with excretia is known as excretory system. Mostly in animals, different type of wastages may be formed. And as we know, in the respiration, carbon dioxide and water are formed as waste substances from the metabolism respiration. So from the respiration, carbon dioxide and water molecules are produced as waste material. And the most important, Due to the metabolism of proteins and amino acids, some nitrogenous wastages are produced in the body. The nitrogenous wastages like ammonia, urea, uric acid, these are very harmful, and wastages are formed due to the metabolism of amino acids and proteins. And again, some minerals are also formed in the body as wastages. So mostly in the animal, we are observing different type of wastages are formed as a waste material due to various metabolisms. For example, carbon dioxide, water, ammonia, urea, uric acid, some minerals, some pigments, which are all wastages. All these should be expelled, should be eliminated by the organism through a system is known as excretory system. For example, as we know already, carbon dioxide and water are the wastages in respiration. The most poisonous ammonia, urea, uric acid are formed as the waste materials in the metabolism of amino acid and protein. Due to destruction of red blood cells and hemoglobin, some bile pigments are produced as waste materials. Some excess amount of water, excess amount of salts, which are also formed as the wastages, these should be expelled out through the excretory system. In our body, for excretia, we have an important system for excretia. It contains kidneys, as we know. So, in this topic, we are discussing only the introduction of excretia. In the next video, we discuss properly the structure of human kidney and how it is working, the formation of urine. Everything should be discussed in the next following video thoroughly. Okay? Right.